Hi, I'm Kalpit Bhavalkar. I am the practice head of AI at Konverge. I am also the first person to join Konverge. I joined it in March 2018. So it's been a fantastic 5 years for me at this organization. Back when I joined Converge, I was fresh from my own venture. So before this, I was an entrepreneur myself. I did a venture in natural language processing, and artificial intelligence has always been an interest for me. Uh, Back when I joined Converge, what I liked was, that Converge was starting from AI. A lot of organizations, move into AI from some other capability, but Converge wanted to start right from data science. So as we, started working on the initial projects, we started understanding a lot more in depth about computer vision, about natural language processing, about recommender systems, and all these buzzwords that are floating around. But what we understood that there is real business value that gets derived from each one of these projects. After delivering about 60 projects and working on various different paradigms, I have now moved into the role of leading the practice of AI here at Converge. The interesting thing that the AI practice is that it encompasses data science, data engineering, and analytics, which means that everything related to data sits under one practice, and the entire team, is very proficient at the tools that are required for it, the tech behind it, and often we hold research reviews within the organization, wherein we read up the latest research papers that have been published, deploy the latest models and test it out and play with it. I think that's been one of the driving forces, working with Converge, that I've always got to work with people smarter than me, right from the founders, right from each and every one of the team members, and in fact, a lot of the new young generation that's joining us, people fresh out of the college, who have already worked on complex things like multimodal models and large language models, and all the cloud paradigms that are out there. So that's been always interesting to me, that learning from these folks and growing based on these conversations has been of immense help. One very interesting thing that I've seen at Converge is that we've had customers who understood the power that artificial intelligence can bring into their organization. One of the key, I would say, drivers behind the growth of Converge has been the cooperation and the understanding of our clients that data science is not magic. It needs data. It needs a lot of engineering support behind it. It needs a lot of analytics. And since we have all those capabilities at Converge as a part of the team, we are able to deliver consistently over the last 5 years. You can read up the case studies, that are on the website. They are, maybe 5 or 6, but we have delivered upwards of 90 projects based on all the paradigms of machine learning, deep learning, statistical learning, as well as computer vision, natural language processing, forecasting, and recommender systems. On the major clouds, I think we have a pretty deep experience with AWS, Azure, as well as GCP, which constitutes the 3 major clouds. We have partnered with Databricks as implementation partners. So if I look back on the last 5 years, what I was in 2018 and what I can now do in 2023, I can see that it has been a fantastic journey of growth and of learning, and I hope to do so in the future as well.